Learning Spanish can be fun and easy. We start with 10 essential words today. These power-packed words form the backbone of daily Spanish conversation. We're not just going to list them out for you. Oh no, we're going to bring them alive with engaging stories and scenarios. This way, you're not only learning the words, but also experiencing them in context, making it easier and more interesting for you to remember. Are you ready to expand your Spanish vocabulary? Let's dive right in. Our first word is haber, which means to have. Imagine you're at a Spanish market and you want to ask if they have apples. You'd say, "Hay manzanas." Moving on, we have por. This little word carries a lot of weight. It's used in a multitude of contexts. Picture yourself receiving a gift from a friend. You'd express your gratitude by saying, "Gracias por el regalo," which translates to "thanks for the gift." Next up is con, meaning with. It's lunchtime and you're looking to invite a friend to join you. You'd say almuerzo con Maria, meaning lunch with Maria. Simple, right? Then we have su, which stands for his, her, or its. You're at a party and you notice a friend has left their coat behind. You'd ask around saying, "Es su abrigo?" meaning, is this his, her coat? Last, but definitely not least, we have para, which often translates to for. It can express purpose or destination. Let's say you're writing a letter to a friend. You'd start with para Maria, meaning for Maria. Each of these words, haber, por, con, su, and para, play a crucial role in Spanish conversation. They might be small, but they are mighty. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't shy away from using them whenever you can. Now that you've learned these 5 words, try to use them in your daily conversation. Let's get to know the next word, como, which means like or as. Picture yourself in a restaurant, complimenting the chef on the delicious food. You could say, "La comida es deliciosa como siempre." That translates to, "the food is delicious as always." Moving on to estar, a verb that means to be. It's used to describe states or conditions. For instance, if you're feeling happy, you can express it by saying estoy feliz, which simply means I am happy. Next up is tener, another verb that translates to have. It is used to express possession or obligation. If you own a book, you would say tengo un libro. On the other hand, if you have to study, you would say tengo que estudiar, which means I have to study. Let's now explore le, an indirect object pronoun. It can refer to him, her, or you in a formal context. Let's say you want to tell someone that you're giving a gift to a friend. You would say, "Le doy un regalo a mi amigo," meaning I give a gift to my friend. Finally, we have lo, a direct object pronoun. It's often used to replace a noun that has been mentioned before. For instance, if you're discussing a book and want to say that you've read it, you could say, "Lo he leído," which translates to, I have read it. Each of these words may seem simple, but they play a crucial role in constructing meaningful sentences in Spanish. Remember, como is a versatile word that can be used to draw comparisons. Estar and tener are essential verbs for expressing states and possession. Le and lo are pronouns that can replace nouns in a sentence, making your speech more fluid and natural. Great job on learning these words. Remember, practice makes perfect. Congratulations! You've taken a significant step in learning Spanish. These 10 words we've covered today are essential building blocks in everyday conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep using them. Keep practicing these words and you'll be speaking Spanish more fluently in no time. Until next time, adios and happy learning.